Now the latest on the case that revolves around the death of United States Army Private Danny Chen. Here are the new developments. At this hour, we are being told that 3 of the 7 soldiers who still face trials will likely plead guilty. This comes just hours before one of the 3 is due to stand trial for the racial hazing and abuse of Chen, a Chinese American who killed himself in Afghanistan. CCTV correspondent Jessica Stone has been working her sources. She joins us live from the newsroom with the very latest. Jessica?
And Mike, what these plea deals mean, if taken, is that 3 of these individuals will have to testify against the other 7 remaining, really 4 remaining soldiers that are going to be going on trial over the next days and weeks to come. At the same time, 2 of these specialists will not have to face the most difficult and the harshest charges against them, including reckless endangerment and negligent homicide. What we've come to learn is that Specialist Ryan Offit and Specialist Thomas Curtis IV have both been offered plea agreements to plead guilty to maltreatment and hazing in Offit's case and maltreatment, hazing, and abuse in Curtis's case. This would mean a maximum of 4 years in jail and dishonorable discharge for Offit. As a maximum penalty, it would mean 5 years behind bars for Thomas Curtis IV and a maximum penalty of that dishonorable discharge. All of these decisions will be made when these individuals go to court. We know that Specialist Ryan Offit will go to court tomorrow. On Monday, we understand that Specialist Curtis is expected in court sometime this week to face these charges and to accept these plea agreements. This again will mean that both of these individuals testify against the other trial. We're also learning that on Thursday, Staff Sergeant, one of the higher enlisted, will take a plea agreement on drinking, but he is still charged with allowing abuse to go on of Private Danny Chen, who of course killed himself on October 3rd, 2011, after being hazed by many of these individuals who are charged. Sergeant Dugas will be in court on Thursday, but he will only plead guilty to charges that he drank illegally on the job. We also are just getting in a statement from the family, Mike, and that reads, quote, "We take some solace in knowing that 2 or more of the men who abused and mistreated our son are pleading guilty and will be punished. We wish to refrain from further comment until the completion of the court-martial." So the Chen family speaking through their attorney, Mike Hawley, just in the last few minutes, giving us their reaction to these plea offers that we expect to be taken sometime this week.
Jessica Stone live from our newsroom. Thank you.